Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete your Facebook's page account, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Facebook app and switch to that page. You can do that by tapping here in the top right corner and then tap on Pages. Tap on the name of the page that you want to delete and then from here tap on Switch right here. Once you switch, tap on the profile picture again in the top right corner. This time tap on the gear icon right here. In this page, tap on the search box in the top and search for delete. One option should pop up that says delete page information. Tap on it. From here it will give you the option to just deactivate the page if you want to maybe take a break and come back later, but if you're sure about your decision, tap on delete page and tap on continue. From here tap on continue again. It will give you a bunch of things that you can do before you delete it. Once you read through that, go ahead and tap on continue in the bottom. It will ask you for your password. Go ahead and fill it in and tap on continue once you're done, and just like that the page will be deleted. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.